honestly, I like TikTok more than any other platform. Here's why. For the most part, everyone here on TikTok is more genuine, feels more human than any other platform. YouTube can get a little vicious. Instagram can feel a little unreal. Facebook is a little old. And TikTok just feels fresh, new, and relatable. Let's be honest with ourselves. Nobody on TikTok is trying to pretend to be something that they're not. They're just coming out here being their real selves, really trying to sell their business, really trying to be genuine. Another thing that I find great about TikTok is it's relatively easy to use, and it resembles some things like CapCut. So if you're already using CapCut, then TikTok doesn't seem to be that difficult. And although it is getting harder to grow on TikTok, it is still easier to grow on TikTok than pretty much any other platform. Yes, the people who are actually following you feel like they're a part of your community, and if they're a part of your community, then they're a part of your business and your growth. And secretly, my favorite part is I get significantly less trolls on TikTok than like any other platform, and honestly, I don't really like the trolls, and I usually tell them that. So if you're a troll, keep on scrolling, we don't want you here. But if you're not a troll, then hit the follow button, hit the like button, and if you want more ways of making social media simple, let us know.